Naren, how are things set up according to you? The budget, what were the two big sharp points that you took away from it? There's this tariff bit. Expectation is it'll blow over. It's not permanent. And of course, there's monetary policy ahead. Where does all of this leave markets?
No, clearly, it was a budget which was focused on consumption for the middle class, and they gave money to the middle class. Whether they'll choose to save it, repay loans, or consume, this is the question for which we don't have the answer. But having said that, that is what the budget is about. Yeah, actually, for us, it was very logical that, for example, there was a time when we used to complain about very high valuations, consumer stocks. And for a change, we do have consumer stocks in our value fund, for example. So I would say that, this kind of shift was very logical on the part of the government. And so we don't complain. And I don't think it's a total shift away. It is just that you have to always, I think both the government and the regulators have to keep on doing things to help the areas which are not doing well, and actually to not give further support to the areas which are doing too well. I think that is the role of the government and the regulator, and that's what they've been doing. Last year, for example, the regulator actually slowed down personal loans. That was again a very good step. So I believe these kind of steps have to be done on a continuing basis. And as fund managers of public money, we also have to be very cautious in sectors where things are very costly. So we have been cautious on small and mid cap. And we have been more positive on sectors which we used to be very negative on, like consumer staples, etc. So I think that's the way things should be. And that's the way I think long-term money is made, actually.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them. And how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC TV18 and CNBCTV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.